Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Tinder Double Date feature not showing. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering why the Double Date feature here in Tinder is not showing up for you. Well, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Now sometimes if you have like for example an unstable interconnection, that can actually affect the features that you can access in your Tinder app, which in this case you may want to switch over to a different Wi-Fi connection or maybe try using your mobile data and see if that helps. Now also you may want to try logging out from your account and logging back in. Sometimes features may not load up properly, so in this case logging out then logging in again can solve this issue. But if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and open up Google Play Store here, search for Tinder, and from then on you want to go and just make sure that you have the latest updates on it. Now if you do see the update button appearing in here, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update to complete, and once it's done you can just click on open and see if that solves the issue. Now another thing, or the last thing that you could try doing here, is to basically clear your cache. So to do that, you want to press and hold into Tinder and click on the eye icon and click on the clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache and okay. Once you've done that, you can go and just basically open up Tinder and see if that solves the issue. Now, if nothing really works here, you can just uninstall the app and reinstall it again and see if that helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.